Hey guys, John here. Welcome back to another video. So the Tundra is back from the dealer, had it there for its 10K service. They did fix some things with the Tundra, fixed some recalls too, but there are some things that are still not fixed. So in this video, we're gonna go over that. And also we'll go over what you guys can expect when you take your Tundra in for its 10K service. So the service went over fine. And even though my truck is lifted with an exhaust, with bigger tires, we're still able to rotate the tires, check all the fittings and everything, making sure that all the seals on the whole truck, everything is basically broken into place the way that it should for a Tundra to have 10,000 miles on it. So all of that stuff checked out good. Coming on into the inside of it, let's talk about some of the things that they fixed. Well, very first thing that they fixed was this over here. So if you guys have any of these issues in your truck, please let me know down in the comment section too. That way Toyota can see this, as they know it's more of a concern for their trucks. But the very first thing is the driver's side vent. So for me, if I put my vent a little bit more than halfway, it would just shoot straight up. So this thing was very, very loose. They've tightened it up. It's nice and tight now, and the position of the vent will actually stay wherever I want it to stay. The second thing they fixed, guys, they finally fixed it. My center console. Center console, this thing, it squeaked so bad to the point where when you lift it up, I actually put little tabs on it that you would put underneath like a dining room chair. You can actually still see the sticky point from when they took it off. But I had sticky pads because the center console basically had a little too much play in it and it would rattle. I'm not the only person that's complained about this. Tons of people in the forums have, online, Facebook, and also the dealership said that they've been changing out a lot of these center consoles. So this center console, freaking solid, dude. Very, very solid. Super happy about it. I did lose my Tough Skin little armor though, like the little rubber stuff that you put in right here from Tough Skin. I tried to take it off of the old one. They tried to take it off too, and it just ripped. So Tough Skin products, it freaking stays on, that is for sure. So left that on the old one. They'll throw it away, recycle it, whatever they got to do. But new console in the truck. Super happy about that. The other thing that was an issue, and really my only other main issue inside, wind noise is whatever now because the truck is lifted and it's not absolutely horrible. The other issue that didn't get fixed was the windows. So if you guys are new to the channel, take a listen to this. Yeah, that's the window shifting. So you can hear it. Not. Hear it? Not with pressure on it. Basically, the issue that I'm having is that these windows are like shifting in place. Now, where I live, it is very hard to duplicate this, so I'm not upset that the dealership really couldn't duplicate it, but I was able to show them that video that you guys just watched. So it is noted. There have been other trucks also with this issue too that they've noticed. It's just very frustrating because in the area that I live, where that dealership is to get to like a high-speed road, you have to drive someone's truck, I don't know, probably 20 miles or so to like really get onto a road to get those highway speeds. So I don't think that they want to drive people's trucks 20 plus miles just to try to duplicate something. So what they did for me though, they at least opened up the doors. They went through everything. So they took both door cards off because I'm having this issue on both the driver's side and the passenger side. They basically took both door cards off, went through the whole thing. The whole window track is perfectly fine. They said that the window seal up here was good too. They couldn't find any problems. They basically, every little nut that they were able to re-put a wrench onto, they tried to put a wrench onto it. Nothing was loose at all. So hopefully if you guys have window issues too, let's just keep documenting it at the dealerships because the passenger one is especially the worst on my truck. And hopefully Toyota will find a fix for these in-channel windows just making a bit of noise and rattling. It's almost like it's just shifting in place. So this 10,000 mile checkup is covered under Toyota Care. So we'll take a look at everything that they did. They checked the driver's side floor mats. Even though I have WeatherTech, they still checked those to make sure that it was good. All the fluids, our wiper blades, multi-point inspection throughout the whole thing, oil filter and filter change. This was the very first oil change that I did on my truck. Also, they were able to rotate the tires like I had mentioned earlier, just because they are aftermarket and bigger tires. I just left them the key for these specific wheels and they were able to rotate the tires for free, even though they are aftermarket wheels. They took care of the electronic parking brake recall. Basically, that issue was it just wasn't engaging or disengaging properly. And then for the parts too that I showed you guys, the driver's side vent was loose. It had a bunch of free play, so it was an improper, basically, installation of that. They were not able to duplicate, unfortunately, the windows, but like I said, I was able to show my service advisor the video, and then he took those notes down. And then also the center console rattles, found improper free play with that, causing an abnormal noise with the center console, and they were able to replace that as well under warranty. So guys, as of now, I am 2 months away almost from having this truck for a whole year, and we have 11,400 miles on it, and every issue that has come up, yes, it's a first year truck, every single issue has been documented and also fixed now, finally, the center console, everything under warranty. So if you guys are worried about now getting a 2023 Tundra, we're now in the 2nd year of the 3rd generation of the Tundra. Again, everything is under warranty. Prices are starting to come down. Dealerships offering under MSRP, a lot of dealerships now at MSRP, so the correction is coming. So just, I don't know, man. I enjoy this truck a lot. I enjoy driving it more than the 4Runner and the Tacoma. I really do. I really like driving this truck a lot. So the issues that it has, it sucks. Yeah, you have to take a couple hours out of your day to go to the dealership, drop the truck off, have them fix it and stuff. But again, at the end of the day, I chose to pick a first year truck. I chose to have them fix this truck, leave it there to properly correct everything, because when I sell this truck, whenever the Pro comes in, I want them to at least not have as many issues as I did, or also everything being documented for this VIN already, so it's at least a running issue that like these windows have or something like that. So guys, that's it. Just wanted to update you on the 10K service, and I'll catch you in the next video. All right, see you later.